guys, Joshua Zamora here with the official demo video for Done4You Suite 5.0. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Done4You Suite works, exactly what our 5.0 features are, and exactly how you can come in here and start using our platform to start getting Done4You page 1 rankings for your YouTube videos, your websites, your niche sites, your Amazon listings, whatever URL that you'd like to get more traffic for, you can come in here and submit it in a matter of minutes. Now, this is our 5.0 launch, as I mentioned, so you're also going to be able to get an exclusive discount during the next few days. All right, and Done4You Suite is not a new platform by any means. All right, yes, this is our 5.0 grand opening, and it continues to get better and better for our customers, and we've made everything better, faster, and easier to come in here and get your links submitted. Okay, now here on the right hand side, you will see that on average we build over 772,000 links for our customers on a monthly basis. And just this month alone, we're just a few days into this month, and we're just over 6,600 syndication links that we've built for our customers. Okay, and we built the simplest platform that you can use to get high quality social syndication so that you can get free targeted traffic to your offers, your clients' offers, affiliate offers, whatever it is that you are trying to make money with. Okay, so let me jump in here and show you exactly how this works, and I'm also going to show you how all of our 5.0 features are as well. So all you have to do to come in here and submit your campaigns is come to the campaigns feature, click create campaign up here in the top, give your campaign a name. So I'm going to do demo 5.0, the URL, okay, that you want to submit. Now, for the purpose of this demo video, I am going to be submitting a new campaign that I just ranked, as you can see, over 20 hours ago. Now, this is a good sign, and this is something that I do a lot, is I will kind of test the waters to see how quickly I can get a video to the top of Google, and then I'll bring it into Done4You Suite to cement those rankings with high quality social syndication. So the two work hand in hand. Pretty much the social syndication is what really allows it to stick to the first page of Google. So here is a campaign that I just ranked, and here's another one that I ranked as well, that I'll be submitting to get this page, these page 1 rankings as well, to leverage ClickBank's new page builder to make some sales. Okay, and this is a very simple and quick strategy that anyone can do, which is launch jacking products that have not been released yet, that you may learn about on launch boards or through email. I learned a lot about my products through email, like this ClickBank one. ClickBank is promoting their own page builder, so I went to the sales page, I learned about it, and I made a quick placeholder ranking, which I like to call here. This video is blank at the moment, so I still have to add a video to it, but I'm already ranking for it. And this one is actually one that a partner of mine reached out to me about, that he's ranking, and I have promoted this product before in the past. And they are releasing a new update for it, so I'm getting ahead of the curve. This product has not launched yet, and I'm already here on the first page. So let me go ahead and submit this to Done4You Suite. I'm gonna go ahead and put the URL there, and then I'm gonna put my keywords. And you can put as many long tail and short tail keywords as you'd like. I always like putting the singular and the plural versions of my keywords, since people do like to search both ways. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to keywords, or finding keywords, or long tail keywords, or short tail keywords, or any of that stuff, don't worry about it. We do have an entire bonus that breaks down my 7 favorite keywords that I like to target, so that you can use those same keywords in your own campaigns. And I do recommend submitting about 3 to 5 keywords is usually what I like to go with, just to get a good mixture of keywords into the mix. Now here we did release one of our 5.0 features as well, which allows you to click one button and allow us to add some generic keywords into your campaigns as well. Now the reason you want to do that is so that your keyword mixture does look a little bit more natural. So we're going to mix not only the ones that you submit, but if you do check this on, we will submit some generic keywords like click here, watch it here, those kind of things that do make your link profile look a little bit more natural, your anchor text profile look a little bit more natural, okay? So we did add this. This was a big request by our users, so we went ahead and added that, and this was one of the features that we added in 5.0. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And this is pretty much where the content happens. You can see we've broken it up very simple into 4 simple steps. So all I'm doing is following the steps and providing Done For You Suite with a little bit of information so that we know what we want, what we need to do for you. Okay, now one huge update that we've done is the fact that now your content can be written by ChatGPT, which is the #1 AI content writing engine on the planet right now. So we have it checked on by default, but if you did want to submit your own content, if you have clients that are very picky about the content that gets put out there for them, you can turn this off and submit your own content. But obviously ChatGPT is doing an amazing job at being able to write for just about any niche out there. So you could just select ChatGPT to write your content for you. And then here we have all of these languages built into our platform to be able to do Done For You syndication for you in any of these languages. Okay, and here this is one of our 3.0 features, which allows you to embed videos. So we will go ahead and do that for this video as well. Okay, embed a tweet. This is one of our 5.0 features as well. We will now embed your tweets across hundreds of high quality domains as well. And now the beautiful part about this is that I've shared this video on Twitter. So now, not only am I getting my video embedded, I'm getting my video syndicated, I'm getting my the Twitter tweet of my video embedded into our network as well. We've also added Facebook post embedding as well, which again, I'm gonna go ahead and submit the post of the video itself. So this video here, I've shared it on Twitter, I've shared it on Facebook, I've shared it on Pinterest, and what I'm doing is just pretty much submitting those URLs so that that can go along with the syndication as well. So think about how powerful that is. I'm not only syndicating the actual video URL, I'm making sure that the video is embedded. I'm making sure that not only I tweeted the video, but that I'm sharing that tweet across hundreds of high quality sites. I'm making sure that I shared that video on Facebook. And now I took the post URL of that Facebook post and I'm sharing that across of our high quality network as well. So I'm creating an insane amount of, you can call it kind of like a web of syndication that all connects back to this same video. Okay, and that's how powerful our the entire Done For You Suite platform is, and obviously these 5.0 updates as well. And again, I did share it on Pinterest, so let me go ahead and paste that there as well. So now another layer, I've shared it on Pinterest, and now I'm pretty much resharing it across hundreds of high quality sites here with this option here. Now, if you are working with local clients, we are bringing this back for the 5.0 launch, which allows you to embed your Google Maps. So you'll just have to put your Google Maps URL here to get that embedded. I'm going to turn that off for now. But one thing that we did add here as well is in version 5.0, the ability to add your citation to business directories as well. So we've added 15 high quality business directory sites that we've purchased exclusively for the 5.0 launch and exclusively to help you with local rankings. And you can go ahead and fill out this information for your clients. put their Google business profile URL here, the business profile URL here. Just fill it out exactly as it is on their Google listing. And then you just click this option here, and we will submit that information to 15 high quality local business directories to help your client or your own business rank even higher in the local search. So this is another huge update that we added by popular request of our customers who are working with local businesses, because we did release this feature, which everyone loved. We released the citation builder as well, and now we are doing done for you submission to high quality business directories as well. So huge update there. So once you're done submitting that, I'm going to turn it off for now, these options there, but I'm going to go ahead and click next. And here is where you select how much links you'd like for us to actually build for you. So depending on which package you purchase, you'll be able to increase this all the way to 1200 or up to 600 depending on which package you purchase. So when you're going through your purchase, just make sure that you do pay attention to that so that you can know which one you're getting. So it's either going to be 600, or if you purchase one of our upgrades, you'll be able to increase this all the way to 1200 links per submission. Now I do recommend that you do about 200 to about 400 per campaign. You don't need to go too crazy with it, especially since this is a YouTube URL link that I'm submitting. It's already coming built in with a ton of authority from YouTube, and then you can go ahead and drip feed this by 3 and up to 90 days. And again, this is all going to depend on which level you purchase. You'll either have up to 2 weeks worth of drip feeding, or you can drip feed it over 90 days. And again, this goes hand in hand with the number of links that you're building. If you're building more links, you may want to drip feed that over more amount of time. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and leave this just down to 3 days, since I am again doing a YouTube video. And then here you can schedule it to start the campaign immediately, or you can schedule the campaign to start at a particular date if you select this option. I'm going to keep it to start immediately. And here we do have our link indexer already turned on automatically. Now this is one of our upgrade offers, and I do recommend everyone pick this up. It is optional, but it does give your campaign a huge boost, because link indexing pretty much means that Google is able to find the links that we are building for you, and they include them in their search results. Now, if you don't do any link indexing at all, usually you're going to get about 25 to 30% of your links to pretty much quote unquote count towards your rankings. Now, if you are using our automatic link indexer system, you could increase that to 40, 50, 60, even 70% of your links being indexed, which means you get better results with less amount of links. So you'll have to do less submissions of your campaigns to be able to get better results, because more of your campaigns are being indexed with our built-in indexing system. And all it takes is just you turning one option on and off to get better results. And again, this is one of our upgrades, so make sure that you do pay attention to that once we get to there. And from here, click next. And then this allows you to gives you a nice preview of everything. And from here, you click create, and that is it. Now that campaign is starting to post, and I don't have to do anything else. Okay, there's going to be over 200 high quality links being built for me without me having to do anything else. And it's that simple to come in here and use Done For You Suite to get page one rankings, page one Google rankings, page one video rankings. And use our platform to do everything, have everything done for you without you having to do anything else. So make sure that you do jump in on this 5.0 grand opening. Take advantage of the discount, take advantage of all the new bonuses, take advantage of everything that you're getting during this 5.0 launch, because it will be a very limited time deal.